Man, I just downloaded some freaking free download files.zip. I got redirected here and it downloaded another zip file. So there's a file called installer.exe, installer. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's freaking stupid. But we can run this and see what happens. Is this slop or is this a malware? I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna find out shortly. I want to see if it's .NET. If it's .NET, we can have fun with it. It takes so long. It's a Python module. No. Oh my god. I think it's actually a Python script. And the executable is probably some auto IT script. Malware quality has degraded so much in the past few years. It's absolutely repelling. There you go. Where's the installer.exe? Oh, wait. Hold on. It has a cute icon. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna run this. Obviously, we're gonna run this because I'm crazy. Let's see what happens when I run that. Installer.exe. It's probably a stealer, if anything. I have zero doubts it's a stealer. Game! Wait. We've downloaded a game. Seriously? There's no way. What? Wait, we can play that. I can get down with this. I think it ran some malware in the background, but it doesn't matter because we get a game. Wait, seriously, hold on. 93%. It's loading. Wait, is this just a fake loading screen to bait you into waiting? Wait, well, what is this? Is this really just a loading screen to bait you? No way, bro. It's doing something. It's actually loading. Might be a game. The game just ran this as well. It's running in parallel. Senior Facto, 64 bits. And I think it also ran this. Oh wait, never mind. It's freaking 360 security. Of course it's about infecting my computer with malware, but is there gonna be action? Please, just give me something. Give me something to work with. I know my VM is kind of slow as well, and it's not helping at all, but I don't want this to be bait, because this is kind of funny. I don't even know how I got here. I don't think I recorded it, but it just redirected me here. Just in case. Seriously, you're gonna blue ball me like that? At least show me the main screen, come on. Free download files. I have no idea what that is. I'm gonna conserve that, of course. I've never seen such a thing before. I've never seen a game attached with a malware. I can actually try and verify whether it's just a malware or RenPy. No way. This must be a this must be a visual novel then of some kind. Like surely. What else is that if it's RenPy? It's definitely a game, but boy does it not load. I'm on the edge of my seat. I want to see the main menu. I'm so invested into this. So this is the game that I got during a malware run. That has never happened. I've done malware runs for so long. The first malware run I've done in like 2016. It's been 10 years and I've never had a game pop up. Let's just extract all the desktop. And call it, I don't know, let's call it game. Alright, there we go. It extracted. Thanks NCFS for taking so long. Yeah, it's definitely infected with malware. There's something wrong with this game. It injects this into the temporary folder. I'm not sure at all what that is. There's a PowerShell script running in the background, so I think PowerShell was this game running some script. I mean, it's definitely loading faster than in the previous machine. Let's see what it has in store for us. Oh, what? Is this a local server? What is it for? It didn't happen before. It refused to connect. It happened for like a split second. I think that's what this executable is for, right? Oh no, I'm gonna mess up the game, right? I don't want to mess up the game. Okay, this calls for a source code examination because I feel like it's just a dud. Although renpy. Could this be just a default renpy folder? I actually don't know where the storyline would be. Should I press enter? Maybe. Such a weird thing. I've never encountered that before. I really did not get this. I think I'm gonna leave this for you guys to check this out and find out what's wrong with that game. My bet is that there's actually nothing in that game and it's just all defaults. And therefore it just gets stuck on 100% of game loading. So the renpy engine has loaded, but there's no actual game, so it just gets stuck there. And maybe even crashes. And then there is the malware that runs in the background, so... There's a PowerShell script that runs in the background that downloads that malware, as far as I can tell. I'm gonna run this again, let's do it again. So I'm gonna run installer.exe and see what it does. Okay, so it runs the CMD, then it runs the PowerShell. Get PS drive C, select object used free. It checks the size of the drive as far as I can tell. That's all it does. Wait, it's not installer, it's instaIR. instaIR, I think it is, right? Yeah, it's instaIR. I just realized. Thanks to this font. Wait, it's L. Is it LN staIR? That's so dodgy, dude. This game is so dodgy. Hold on, where can I type? Let's use Notepad real quick. LN staIR. It is LN staIR. Certainly, there's no way. Hey, it doesn't load. Yeah, incredibly weird. I don't understand what that is. What that could be at all. It's probably just a dud. My only guess is that it's actually a dud. And in the background, it checks how much storage you've got free and then runs this executable. So yeah, boys, we got a malware disguised as a game. I'm still not sure what it does, but I'm gonna link it in my GitHub repository. So yeah, thanks for watching and take care.